When you use Dreambox to analyze standards, you can view them in two different ways. You first need to be logged on to Dreambox and in your class dashboard card. Hover over to the Standards tab and click it. When you click it, it gives you a general grid view when it comes to the current grade that your students are in. It will show you the Maryland and Common Core standards as long as you have that clicked, and if you don't, you can change it right here so that it does align with Common Core standards. If you hover over the specific standard, it will tell you in detail what it entails. If you scroll down, it will show you students that are proficient with this standard, students that are completing lessons aligned with this standard, and students that are really struggling with this standard. Grid view really helps you get an overall view of how your students are doing, and you can do it through different grade levels. So you can actually go back and see student progression on standards from their previous grade levels. One really helpful tool is to switch the standard view from grid view to grouping view. When you switch, you can click on a specific standard and it will show you students who are proficient in this standard, students that are in progress to becoming proficient with this standard, and students that have not had any experience with the standard. As you can see from mine, I have a student who was proficient in this standard. I have some that were close to being proficient, and then I have some that were not close at all. This really helps me when I'm making small groups around this standard because I know the student proficient in the standard doesn't need as much support. There are several students that already have a good experience with this standard, and then there's students that will need more support. You can flip back and forth between grouping view and grid view with every grade level whenever you want.